Hi everyone, so today I'm going to do a review on these doorknob covers that I purchased from Amazon. So these don't fit my door, and so I'm going to show you guys how to fix them. If you can see, the hole is too small to fit around the doorknob. If I can get this open. So I'm trying to put it around my doorknob and it just will not go on it. It won't close at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try cutting this thing off. So you want to get a knife, a cutting board, and some fire. You hold the knife over, or the blade part of the knife, over the fire for a couple seconds. You don't want to melt the knife, you just get it hot enough that it can cut right through the plastic and do a nice clean cut. So now we are going to cut the end off with the knife we just heated up. And if you do it right, it should just cut right off. And that worked really well. It's nice, smooth, clean cut. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So now we have both sides cut off. As you can see, the hole is a lot bigger now that those ends are off. And now it fits perfectly on our doorknob. You can turn it and it works. Well, there you have it. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. So Cool Creations.